Hey YouTube, it's Blossom and Jasmine back with another tutorial. I want to talk about my Swarovski Bible and lessons learned since I've actually completed this project. So one thing I wish I did that I didn't before was remove all of the leather before I added the glue. And my glue of choice was Gem Tack. I use all Swarovski crystals. I use 4 different colors on this Bible. Volcano, Light Topaz, Sun, and Fireopal. So those are the 4 Swarovski colors I use in various different sizes. This is like a kid's Bible, so it's very small, but it was still expensive to cover this Bible. But I'm really overall happy that I blinked my Bible out. It's definitely a head turner when I go to church. I also wanted to hurry up and get it done because I wanted to go to Woman Evolve, which is a conference by Sarah Jakes Roberts, TD Jakes' daughter. And I ended up not being able to go, and I donated my ticket. But I still have my Bible, and I absolutely love it. You guys let me know if you're going to bling your Bible, if you want me to bling your Bible. I think this is great if you're getting married and you want like a dope Bible when when you read your vows or whatever. But thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Blossom and Jasmine. And if there's anything you would like to know, definitely leave comments below. So I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. And that's it. So as always, you guys be blessed, be beautiful, and I'll see you next time. Always with love, Blossoming Jasmine.